Consider the sequence root 3, 3 root 3 all the way up to 729. Root 3, 3, 3 root 3 all the way up to 729. First, which term is 729? Second, find the sum of the first 10 terms. Okay, so quickly work on this one. Second question. The sixth and the 10th terms of a GP two questions for you, quickly answer. Yes, good morning to you all and quickly answer these questions. Okay, one answer so far. More people can quickly answer. So here the first term is root 3. The common ratio is also root 3. So a into r power n minus 1 is equal to 729. So that is root 3 into root 3 power n minus 1. So that will give you root 3 power n is equal to 729. 729 is 9 into 9 into 9 into 9, 9 power 4. 9 into 9 into 9 into 9, 9 into 9, 81, 81, 729. So this is 3 squared. So this is 3 power 8. So root 3 power 16 is equal to root 3 power 16. So n is equal to 16. Do we understand? Am I making some mistake? Look at your answers. I feel I am making a mistake. So my first term is root 3. Second term is 3 root 3, 3. Next term is 3 root 3. So T1 is equal to root 3. R is also equal to root 3. So root 3 into root 3 power n minus 1 is equal to 729. 729 is 9 into 9 into 9 into 9. So root 3 power n is equal to 3 power square whole power 4. So that is equal to 3 power 8. So root 3 power n is equal to root 3 power 16. So n is equal to 16. I have not made any error. So the total number of terms, so the 729 is the 16th term. Yes. 729 is root 3 power 12, you are saying. Okay, let me see. Oh yeah. 9 into 9 is 9 into 9 is 81 into 9, 9 into 8. Okay, yeah, sorry. One extra 9 I brought in. Yeah. You guys only are correct. I am becoming old. Yes, n is equal to 12. I am wrong. You all are correct. 729 is equal to 9 into 9 into 9. You have to factorize it. When you factorize it, you will get it. So that is 9 cubed. So that is 3 power 6. That is root 3 power 12. So n is equal to 12. Then I asked you to find the sum of the first 10 terms. So S10 is equal to a into 1 minus r power n divided by 1 minus r. So what is a? A is root 3, 1 minus root 3 power 10 divided by 1 minus root 3. So that will become equal to root 3 minus 1. I will put root 3 plus 1 numerator so that we can simplify this one. So it will become root 3 into root 3 plus 1 into 1 minus root 3 power 10 divided by 1 plus root 3 squared. So 1 minus root 3 squared. So when I simplify this, it will become root 3 into root 3 plus 1 by 2 into root 3 power 10 minus 1. So this will give you the sum of the first 10 terms. Yeah, okay. Yes, I made a mistake. It didn't come 69. It will come only 9. So it will come only 12. So it is 9 into 9 into 9. I put one extra 9 in it. Okay. So if this is understood, please look at the second question. The 6th and the 10th terms of a GP are given. They are asking you to find out the 15th term. Yes, Nitya, 16 didn't come. 12 only is the answer. You are correct. Okay, move on. Sixth and 10th terms of a GP are 1 by 16 and 1 by 256 respectively. The question is, find the 15th term. So the way we go ahead with it is T6. T6 is equal to A into R power 5. Similarly, T10 is equal to A into R power 9. So A into R power 5 is 1 by 16. A into R power 9 is equal to 1 by 16 squared. 16 squared. So this is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 4. This is equal to 1 by 2 to the power 8. Okay. So when I divide one by the other, I will get 1 by R power 4. 1 by R power 4 is equal to 2 power 4. So from there, R is equal to 1 by 2. Okay. So if R is equal to 1 by 2, A is equal to 2. A is equal to 2. Then I asked you for T15. So T15 is A into R power 14. So 2 into 1 by 2 power 14. So that will become 1 by 2 power 13. So this is the 15th term. Okay. So I am just going systematically and I am trying to find it out. Yeah. Okay. So we can find out how much is 2 power 13. So we know 2 power 10 is equal to 1024. So 2 power 11 will become 2048. This is 2 power 11. So 2 power 12 will become 4096. So 2 power 13 will become 8192. So the answer is 1 by 8192. Yeah, Pranav, you got it right. Vittal, some error in typing. Yes, we can write R is equal to plus or minus 2. We can write. It doesn't matter, but just that alternative terms will be positive and negative. Okay. See, I am given you that the sixth term is equal to 1 by 16. So sixth term means what? A into R power 5 is equal to 1 by 16. Similarly, 10th term, so A into R power 9 is 1 by 256. So this is 1 by 2 power 4 and this is equal to 1 by 2 power 8. Okay. So I am going to divide. This is T6, this is T10. So T10 divided by T6 will give you R power 4. R power 4 will become equal to 1 by 2 power 8 divided by 1 by 2 power 4. Yeah, so that will become how much? 1 by 2 power 4. So if R power 4 is 1 by 2 power 4, then R will become okay. If you want to write plus minus 2, no problem. Then I asked you for T15. So T15 will become A into R power 14. So now because it is 14 plus minus both will be the same. Okay, it's an even power. So I can now find out that A that is A into 1 by 2 power 5 is equal to 1 by 16. So when I simplify this, I will get A is equal to 2. So I substitute 2 into 1 by 2 power 14 will become 1 by 2 power 13. So now I can find out 2 power 13. 2 power 13 is 8196. So this is equal to T15. Okay, so this is equal to T15. Okay. Find 3 numbers in GP whose sum is 13 and sum of whose squares is 91. Find 3 numbers in GP whose sum is 13 and the sum of whose squares is 91. Sir, if R is plus or minus 2, then A is also equal to no, because A, it's all given even powers only. These are all, okay, okay, yeah. If R is plus or minus 2, A will change. Okay, fine, agree. Agree. If R is minus 2, then A will become minus 2. Yes. Agree. So we will get two answers. We will get two answers. One for plus 2 and sorry, plus half, and one for minus half, because these numbers here are odd. So accordingly, if it is if R is equal to plus half, then A is equal to 2. If R is equal to minus half, then A is equal to minus 2. So accordingly, it will change. So in which case the answer will be plus 1 by 8196 or minus 1 by 8196. Both are acceptable. This is also true and this is also true. Okay, Harith. Yeah. So here is the next question. Find three numbers in GP whose sum is 13 and sum of whose squares are 91. So suppose I have numbers AR and AR squared. Okay, so these are three numbers in GP. So their sum is equal to 13. And the sum of whose squares? So A square plus A square R square plus A power 4 A square R power 4 is equal to 91. So I can take A common here. I'll have 1 plus R squared is equal to 13. I will take A square common here. 1 plus R squared plus R power 4 is equal to 13 into 7. So I have these two. I can try to work with it. So what I will do is I will square the first one. So if I square the first one, I'll get A square 1 plus R squared the whole square is equal to 13 into 13, and I'll divide it by A square 1 plus R square plus R power 4 is equal to 13 into 7. So these two get cancelled, these two get cancelled. Now I have an equation in R which I will try to solve, and then let us see if we get something. Can you try to work it out and then see if you can get something? So you have A plus B plus C the whole square. So that is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2AB. So 2R plus 2AC 2R square plus 2BC 2R cubed. Now this is equal to, divided by, of course, divided by 1 plus R square plus R power 4 is equal to 13 by 7. Just try to see if you can square it and then solve it. Otherwise we will use some other techniques. Many techniques are there. But this will become equation in the fourth power, so we will end up in difficulty. We will still not be able to do. So let us think if anybody can think. So I have AR square. So A plus AR square is equal to 13 given. Then sum of squares will become A square plus A square R square plus A square R power 4 is equal to 91. Yeah, so any ideas you all have how to work it out? I am not getting any ideas. Yes. Yes, you can keep the numbers. That is a usual method. Whenever we have product, that's the way we do it. We can keep it as A by R, A, AR. We can keep this way also. This way also it will be little easy also. So A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 13. Then A squared by R squared plus A squared plus A squared R squared is equal to 91. So you can try to solve this also. Both of them will be the same, because here the moment you take LCM and then work, you will get that. So you have to think how you can manipulate this to get this and vice versa. So that is the difficult part. So now we may be able to get answer faster. So this will be, you may be able to cross multiply it and solve this easily. I just have a gut feeling. I have a gut feeling that you may be able to solve this easily. So I will do it for you into 1 plus r divided by 1 plus r cubed into 1 minus r is equal to 13 by 7. So I'll get 1 minus r cubed plus r minus r power 4. Same thing we are going to get is equal to 1 plus r cubed minus r power 4 minus r is equal to 13 by 7. Cross multiply. So you'll get 7 minus 7 r cubed plus 7r minus 7r power 4 is equal to 13 plus 13r cubed minus 13r power 4 minus 13r. Okay, so we can bring r power 4 onto this side. So 13 minus 7, so 6r power 4. Then I will bring this side, minus 20r cubed. Then I will bring r onto this side, plus 20r. Then I will bring this onto this side, minus 6. Minus 6 is equal to 0. So you have to factorize this. Okay, whenever sum of factors is 0, then see, we'll use the remainder theorem. According to the remainder theorem, let us see what is f of 1 equal to. F of 1 is 6 minus 20 plus 20 minus 6. So it is 0. So r minus 1 is a factor of this. Okay. Now let us see if minus 1 is a factor. So for minus 1, this will become plus 6. This will become plus 20. This will become plus 20. This will become minus 20, minus 20, minus 6. So that is also equal to 0. Yeah. So r minus 1, r plus 1 are factors. So then you can factorize it and get the value. So r plus 1, r minus 1 are two factors. Totally you will have 4 factors. So we can use the factor theorem and then we can get it. So let us try with the 2, 3, 4. So this number here will give you the product of factors. So you have +1 into -1 into a into b is equal to 6. So now you can use 3 and 2 and then try to work it out. Suppose we use 3. 3 means what? 3 into 3 is 9, 9 into 9 is 81. So 6 into 81 minus 20 into 3 cubed. 3 cubed is 27 plus 20 into 3 minus 6 is how much? So this is 6 ones is 6, 8 into 6 is 48 minus this will give you 540 minus 540 plus this will give you 60 minus 6. So minus 6 will give you this. This is also equal to 0. So into r minus 3 is a factor. Now try 2. Try 2. So if you try 2, 6 into 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16 minus 20 into 8 plus 20 into 2 minus 6. So this is 96. So 96 minus 6 is 90. 90 minus 160. Oh, this is not a factor. Am I making a mistake? 16. 16 into 6 is 96. 8, 120. 20 into 2 minus 6. So this is 96 minus 8 into 2 is 160 plus 40. So plus 40 means 136. 130. So this is not equal to 0. Okay. So anyway, so please try to factorize this. Please try to factorize this and then get it. I am not sure if you have understood, sir. How did you assume F1? Sir, R minus 9 is a factor. Okay, so I will do this again. So first, do you all understand this step that I have circled? Okay, do you understand this step here? I have found out the sum of 3 terms, then I have squared it and then I have divided so that I can get rid of A, so that now I have an equation with R. Okay, you can do it like this or whatever we did before. Also, it will give us the same result. Did you understand what I have circled? Yes, yes, yes. Did you guys understand? You take it this way or you take it this way, everything is going to be the same. So I will do it once again for you. So this is A plus AR plus AR squared is equal to 13 given. Then A square plus A square R square plus A square R power 4 is equal to 91 given. Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to square this and then divide it by this. Okay. So when I square this, I'll get A square 1 plus R squared the whole squared divided by A square 1 plus R square plus R power 4 is equal to 13 into 13 by 13 into 7. I hope this is understood. These two get cancelled, these two get cancelled. Yeah. So I have 1 plus R squared whole square into 7 is equal to 13 into 1 plus R squared plus R power 4. Now I will expand this. So I'll get 1 plus R squared plus R power 4 plus 2 into R cubed plus 2 into R plus 2 into R squared. This whole thing into 7 is equal to 13 into 1 plus R squared plus R power 4. Now I will expand this. So I will get, I have 7 plus this is R squared here. This is 2R squared here. So totally 3R squared. So plus 21R square. This is 21R square. Then I will get plus 14R plus R cubed I will take. So it will become 14R cubed plus 7R power 4 is equal to 13 plus 13R squared plus 13R power 4. Now I'll shift all the R power 4s to that side. So when I shift all the r power 4s to that side, I will get 6 r power 4. Then I will shift the r cubed minus 14 r cubed. Then I'll shift r squared plus, sorry, not plus, not plus, minus. So minus, I will shift the r square that side. So r square that side means I will get 7 r square, 7 r square. Then I'll shift r down, minus 14 r minus 7 is equal to 0. Okay, now I am going to use the concept of polynomials. So if f of 1 is equal to 0, r minus 1 is a factor. So let me put f of 1 and see. F of 1 will be 6 minus 14 minus 7 minus oh, okay. I can make many mistakes, that is the problem. So when the 7 goes that side, it becomes minus 7, so it will become plus 6. Okay, r when it goes that side, it will be minus 14r. Okay, so this is 7r squared, not 7, it should become 8r squared. 13r squared, yeah, r cubed minus 14r cubed. Okay, this seems to be okay. So I have 6 minus 14 minus 7, 6 minus 14 minus 8, again minus 14 plus 6 is equal to 0, not equal to 0. So r is not equal to 1. Now I'll put minus 1. So if I put minus 1, this will become 6, this will become plus 14, this will remain minus 8, this will become plus 14, this will become minus 6 is equal to 0. So these two add up to 28. These two add up to 28. So now also it is not working out. What error, what error, what error? Okay, so something is wrong with this method. Sorry, it happens in maths many times, so don't worry about it. A plus AR plus AR squared is equal to 13. So the sum of these three terms is A into 1 minus R cube divided by 1 minus R. So that is equal to 13. A square plus A square R square plus A square R power 4 is equal to 91. So A square into 1 minus, this is R power 6 by 1 minus R squared is equal to 91. Okay, now I'm going to square these and divide them. So when I square these and divide them, the A squares will get cancelled. So I'll get 1 minus R cubed whole square into 1 minus R square divided by 1 minus R power 6 into 1 minus R whole square. This is equal to 13 into 13 by 7 into 13. 13 gets cancelled. Now here I can write this as 1 minus R cubed the whole square, 1 plus R, 1 minus R divided by 1 plus R cubed into 1 minus R cubed into 1 minus R into 1 minus R. So this and this gets cancelled. This and this gets cancelled. That is 1 R is not equal to 1, R is not equal to minus 1. Okay, because if R was equal to, yeah, R is not equal to 1, no minus 1 will work. So yeah, because if R is equal to 1, then this becomes 0. So 0 by 0 cannot be cancelled. Okay, so if R is not equal to 1, I can write this. So if I rewrite this, I'll get 1 minus R cubed into 1 plus R by 1 plus R into 1 minus R is equal to 13 by 7. Please reach here. After this, I will tell you. Okay, please reach here. So I'm going to rewrite this again. So I have 1 minus R cubed. So 1 minus R cubed into 1 plus R divided by 1 plus R cubed into 1 minus r is equal to 13 by 7. So this will become 1 minus r cubed minus r cubed minus r power 4 minus r power 4 plus r divided by 1 plus r cubed minus r power 4 is equal to 13 by 7. Now I will rearrange it. So I'll get 7 minus 7r cubed minus 7r power 4 plus 7r is equal to 13 plus 13r cubed minus 13r minus 13r power 4. Now I'll take r power 4 to this side. So I'll get 6r power 4. Now I'll get r cubed to this side. I'll get minus 20r cubed. Now I'll bring r to this side plus 20r. Then I'll bring the constant term to this side. Minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay. So this is the polynomial which I have to factorize. Yeah. According to the fact, okay, first, have you understood, have you reached here? First, please understand this, then slowly we will go there. Yeah. Okay, don't worry. Now I think we are on the right track. We are on the right track. We will get it. Don't worry. So if this is wrong, you please tell me. Now I can remove 2. If I remove 2, it will become 3r power 4 minus 10r cubed plus 10r minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we can try to factorize this. To find the factors, we will just check if f of 1 is a factor. How will you check? If you put 1 instead of r, if you put 1, this should be equal to 0. So here it is 3 minus 10 plus 10 minus 3. So that is 0. So r minus 1 is a factor. Okay. Then let's put plus 1 and see. If we, sorry, minus 1 and see. If you put minus 1, this will become 3. This will become plus 10 because this will become minus 1. This will become, again, this will become minus 1. So minus 10. This will remain as it is. This is also 0. So r plus 1 is also a factor. So r minus 1 is a factor, r plus 1 is a factor. Now try to find out the other factors. The other factors that we can try to see is this number here. This number here is going to be the product of factors. Okay, so that number there or this number here is going to be the product of factors. So one number is minus 1, one number is plus 1. So the next number that I can try to do it is 3. So if I try with 3, it will work out to be 3 into 3 power 4 minus 10 into 3 cubed plus 10 into 3 minus 3. So if I work it out, 3 power 4 is like 81. So 81. 81 into 3 is like 243 minus 27. So 270. This is plus 30 minus 3. Now this is also equal to 0. So r minus 3 is also a factor of this given expression. Okay. Now you will see that r, can you check if r plus 3 is also a factor of this? Plus 3 won't be because product will not work out. Okay. So you found out the 3 factors. Now if you can multiply, so if you okay, yes sir, 10th slide. If it is polynomial is 0, sir, you said r is not, that is okay. So we can't accept that solution. For the polynomial plus 1 is okay, but we can't accept that solution. So the only solution we can accept is r is equal to 3. Now because we are saying r is equal to 3, then what will happen is you will get the values 1, 3 and 9. because the total is 13 and then the squares will work out. So we can't accept this solution. So the GP cannot have R equal to 1. So we cannot accept this. Now we will not be able to accept this also. So this is the only solution we will be able to accept. So once you know that is the solution you are going to accept, then if you put R is equal to 3, then you will get the value for A. You will get the value for A. A is equal to 1. So here, if I put R is equal to 3, so this is A plus 3A plus 9A is equal to 13. So I'll get A is equal to 1. So once you get A is equal to 1, R is equal to 3, then the work numbers will work out as 1, 3, 9. And in all cases of GP, not only GP and even in AP, the reverse will also work out. So 9, 3 and 1 will also work out. Sir, R cannot be equal to 1. That's what I am saying. I am saying R cannot be equal to 1. So I am saying, yes, R is not equal to that. Plus or minus 1, it will not be equal to that. Even if R is a solution of the polynomial, it has to fit in the it has to fit in the progression also. Yes, R cannot be equal to 1. That's what I am trying to say. Okay. Yeah. So I am saying the solutions for this polynomial, is R is equal to plus 1, R is equal to minus 1, R is equal to plus 3 and R is equal to minus 3. But these solutions we can't assume or we can't accept. We may be able to they take this one. So A minus 3A plus 9A is equal to 13. In which case I will get 10, 7A. 7A is equal to 13 or A is equal to 13 by 7. Next, I have to substitute in the second one. So A, when I'm finding out the square, so A square plus 9A square plus 81A is equal to 13. Now I have to substitute that here, this value for A here, and check if it will satisfy. If it satisfies, then this is also an accepted solution. So let me check. So I have 13 squared by 49 plus 9 into 13 squared by 49 plus 81 into 13 squared by 49. So I'll take 13 squared by 49 common. Then I'll get how much? I'll get 1 plus 9 plus 81. So this has to be equal to 91. So let us see. So this is like 90, this is equal to 91. So it won't be equal to 91. So because it won't be equal to 91, this is ruled out. So the only acceptable solution is 3. Now it can be an increasing GP. If it's an increasing GP, 1, 3, 9 are acceptable. Or it could be the inverse of it, 9, 3, 1. So had I written my equations in the inverse order, then this answers would have been 1 by 3. So that is also an acceptable solution. So 1, 3, 9, 9, 3, 1 are acceptable. If R is equal to minus 3, let me check. I haven't checked it, but I feel it will be 0. Anyway, I will check and then I will tell you. So you have 3R power 4 minus 10R power 3 plus 10R minus 3 is equal to 0. Is that my equation? 3R power 4 minus 10R plus 10R minus 3. Okay, so if R is equal to 3, okay, if R is equal to 3, then the next one that will work out will be 1 by 3. Let us check it out. 3 into 81. So we are talking about minus 3 plus 10 into 270. Obviously, it won't work out. So we saw plus 1, minus 1, 3. Now 1 by 3. Let me check 1 by 3. So 3 into 1 by 3 minus 10 into 1 by 3 cubed plus 10 by 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So this is 3 cubed. So 1 by 27 minus 10 by 27 plus 30 by 90 by 27. Okay, 90 by 27 minus 91 by 27. 27. Okay, so now how much will this be? Twenty-seven. This is okay. 10. I multiplied 9 in numerator denominator. This is 3 power 4. So 1 by 27. So this will become minus 9 by 27. This is 81 by 27. Yes, so you will get 3 and 1 by 3. So these are the 4 solutions. Because it's a fourth power, there will be 4 solutions. So plus 1, minus 1, plus 3 and 1 by 3. So these are the 4 solutions. So this is not acceptable. I have explained to you why these are not acceptable. With these two, if you work, you will get 931 or 139. Okay, this was a tough one, not an easy one. So as long as you are understanding, it is fine. Please spend some time with it. Those of us who got it, very good. Those of us who didn't get it, please spend some time with it. One last question I will give of this kind, then we will move on. The product of 3 consecutive terms of a GP is minus 64. The first term is 4 times the third term. Now they are asking you to find the terms. The product of 3 consecutive terms of a GP is minus 64. The first term is 4 times the third term. Find the terms. Okay, I will show you all the slides. Here is the first slide. Here is the second slide. Here is the third slide. Here is the fourth slide. Seventh slide. We were working out this particular question. 8th. Here I made some errors. This is correct. This is the 11th one. So we have to solve this particular equation, or we have to solve this particular equation. So we were adamant on finding out the 4 roots. So here we found out the 4 roots. Here is the next question. Please work this out. Yeah. So the product of C, whenever they have given you product of 3 consecutive terms, it is better to take them as A by R, A, AR. So that when you find out the product, it will become independent of R and you will get A value immediately. So the A value is equal to -4. Okay. Now, if A value is -4, then they have told you that the first term is 4 times the third term. So the first term is A by R. So that is equal to -4 by R. And that is equal to 4 times the third term, 4 times A into 4. So now you will see A into 4 times A into R. A into R. A is 4. Okay. So you can cancel off. So A is -4. So minus will become plus, 4 will get cancelled. So you will get R is equal to +½ or -½. So if R is equal to +½ so your numbers are 8, -4 and 8, -4 and 2. Okay. If R is equal to -½ your numbers are -8, +4, -8, +4 and 2, -2. So this is possible or this is possible. Okay, I'm making some error. A is -4. So -4 by -½ will become 8. Okay. So -4 into -½ is 2. This is okay. So this is when R is equal to -½ If R is equal to +½ then this is -8. This is 8. This is not +4. This is -4. This will become -2. Okay. So the answer is 8, -4, 2 and -8, -4, -2. So I hope you are able to understand. I took the numbers as A by R, A, AR. Then solved for A. Immediately I got the value for A. Then from the other part, the fact that the third term is 4. Okay, I'm sorry. The first term is 4 times the third. I took it otherwise. Anyway, but the same numbers you will get. Don't worry. You will get the same numbers. So 4 times A by R is equal to A into R. So the A's get cancelled. So 4 is equal to R squared. So R is equal to +-2. Because I took it the other way, I got +-½ But the numbers will still be the same. So don't worry about it. So R is equal to +-2. So first number is -4. So if the first number is -4, then the number will become, here it will become -2. If you are taking +2, then the next number will become 8. Okay. The next number is A into R. R is +2. So that is -8. So this is one set of numbers. The other set of numbers is -4 by -2. -4 by -2 is 2. then minus 4, then minus 4 into minus 2, 8. So these are your numbers. Okay, so I hope it is understood. Yeah. Okay, don't worry about the sign. As long as you understand the process, people didn't understand. It is given to you that the product of terms A by R, AR is equal to minus 64. Okay, so sorry, AR. So this R gets cancelled. So I'll get A cube is equal to minus 64. So if A cubed is equal to minus 64, then I'll get A is equal to minus 4. Okay. Then it is told to you that 4 times the first one is equal to the third term. So the A's will get cancelled and I'll get 4 is equal to R squared. So R is equal to plus 2 or minus 2. Okay. So suppose I take R is equal to plus 2. So the first term will be minus 2. Second term is minus 4. Third term is minus 8. If R is equal to minus 2, first term will be plus 2. Second term will be minus 4. Third term will become 8. So this is the sequence. Okay, am I clear? Okay, so I am done with geometric progressions. There are just 1-2 type of questions. Next class, we will look at some special sequences. These kinds of questions come a lot in your NTSE exam. So in your NTSE exam, I think they give around 10 questions based only on sequences. So some of those sequences may be of this kind. There are a few other types of sequences like the arithmetic or geometric progression and so on. So that we will see in the next class and then we will say goodbye to it. Okay, fine. Okay, then thank you. Yeah, I will teach HP also. Okay, so please work it out. Yeah, thank you.